all the birds up there, though.
Right, I'll see the view now.
The Brice Shadow. Welcome to St.Ives. We thought that we would just get on a train and come to St.Ives. Nice blue sky. The sun is smiling. Not the hottest, but it's okay. So we thought we would do that. Show you guys St.Ives a little bit. The kids wanted to go to the beach, so we thought we would just come here, get a bite to eat, and see what's around.
I wanted to go to the beach too.
She did. She did. What you got? You're making lines. Look at this. See these feet prints? Yeah. Hey AJ. Should we go get a bite to eat? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? We thought we'd get a bite to eat because we're hungry, and why not? They do quite a good variety of food in there actually. I can't quite see the glare of the menu. Here we go. Ooh, bacon and brie, cranberry paninis. Chicken and bacon panini, nice. Hot food. Ooh, cheesy chips. I'm gonna go with a burger, of course. Some baguettes. Shelley's gone with crayfish. Alright. Not a bad view. I'm not gonna pan around too much because people are enjoying their food and I don't want to interrupt them. Nice. Okay, so we're waiting on our order number to be shouted out. Not bad prices. Not too outrageous. Okay, we're on high seagull alert because seagulls here are notorious for taking days. What you got, Tilly?
Chips and nuggets.
Chicken nuggets and chips. Bit of dip. You've got the same, Adrian. Yours is just cooling in there a minute. And you've got some chippies along with
Crayfish baguette.
I've gone with the standard burger.
Daddy,
onions.
What's with the sauce?
See what it's like.
I don't understand.
No, because you're losing.
Have a chips.
These chips are awesome.
Awesome. AJ made a run for it. We had to retrieve him.
Yeah.
Haven't we got burgers tonight?
This is good.
Oh well.
Any more chippies?
Well, I'm wearing my beach attire. Standard beach attire for Bricey. I'm not particularly a beach goer. It's not my forte, my great pleasure. But, you know, when it's necessary to come to a beach, I will do so. And enjoy. Very pleasant. actually filming this vlog on my mobile phone because I went to look at the camera this morning. No battery. Darn! I didn't have time to charge it, so that's right. We use the mobile. Making sandcastles?
Yeah.
Daddy, can you help me with mine?
Yeah.
So let's fill it all the way up.
Yep, pack it in.
Pat. Right, where are we going to put it? Here? Steady. Tap, tap, tap. Can you tap,
Do
tap,
it, do
tap?
do it. Is the sand wet enough? Yay!
Castle.
I do.
Steady.
Just gotta make the black bit. Daddy, we gotta make the black bit.
Yeah. Where are we making it? That's flatter. Here, look. Here, that's better.
Oh.
You ready, AJ? Fingers? Every way, baby. Okay, let's do it.
Yeah.
A tap. A tap. Ready? The big reveal. Yay! Oh!
Tap, tap, tap. Tilly, don't go too far, baby girl.
Okay, Mummy.
I forgot to say this is Porthminster Beach.
Yes, it's Porthminster Beach. You've got St.Ives harbour beach over there. And then the other side of those rocks, you have got Carbis Bay.
Yeah.
And if you go left, you've got Hale, Gwydion, and Gadrevi. And that lighthouse over there is Gadrevi Lighthouse.
Mummy, I'm digging mine into my bucket.
Cool. Very beautiful. Sorry about the wind on the camera. It's not bad in the sun, but the wind is just a little bit brisk. Don't be deceived by the blue skies. It is chilly, to say the least. I've just looked at my temperature thing on my phone, and we're in the sort of mid-50s, which isn't great. And my feet are getting a bit wet. I should have not had these like netty type material shoes, but it's all right. We can deal with it. Right, let's find the creatures. Hey Tilly, shall we climb these steps up onto the pier?
Can you go in the lighthouse?
No, just can't. You right?
This is so pretty.
It is, well, they're extremely old steps. Extremely old. Some nice shots from the pier.
Wow.
Wow.
I didn't have my ice cream yet.
I know you haven't had an ice cream. We'll find somewhere. We'll find somewhere for an ice cream.
Wash my hands.
You're gonna wash your hands, yeah, definitely. This lighthouse was refurbished in June 2016. operated by St.Ives Business Improvement District. You are? Oh yeah. Be careful. The foundation stone of this pier was laid by T. Bedford Belitho, Esquire, MP. 25th June 1888. It looks like, wait a minute, oh you monkey, oh! And it looks like it was completed in 1890, although difficult to see. That has seen some years of wear and sea air.
Look at that old ladder. People used to climb up there, but how tall is that ladder?
Ooh, I don't know. Some of these boats which are nice. Yeah. Well, what are you doing here, Gemma? From Penzance? What's this? Another Penzance boat. So many boats from PZ. I think the Penzance boats outnumbers the St.Ives boats. Oh, one from 40 over there. Come a long way. Hey! Do some boat trips. Very pleasant. Ooh. Wood-fired pizza closed. That's unfortunate.
Can I go in there? Can I go in there, Daddy? Well, in a shop, you might not go in. Daddy, can you go out?
You know, Shelbo, even off season, it's actually quite busy up there, isn't it?
Yeah, but
Although
it is a bank holiday weekend.
it is bank holiday weekend, yeah. It's holiday season and it's just ridiculous here. You just can't even move down this street. It's so jammed with people. So actually, although it looks quite heavy, this is actually quite light. Quick ice cream stop. Has to be done. Delicious. That is one very old pub. These are the little nooks and crannies that you just walk past in the street. You lost your head. And like I said, it does get busier here. How much fudge can one town eat? Okay, we're at the end of that street, but with so many people, it's very difficult to film anything. Whoa, headed back down to the harbour. Road is jammed with vehicles. Should be pedestrianised, I think, but... And the other side of the harbour. That's nice. We've eaten fish and chips in there before. Delicious. Bit of rock stacking. Clever. And that's going to do it from St.Ives. But we are going to head back to the train station and get on board the next train to Penzance. Not Penzance. Make it St.Erth. Our car's in St.Erth. And then we'll drive back to PZ. That's the plan. Well, it's the only plan. Super fun day, but it does get phenomenally busy in St.Ives. As always, if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to the Brice Side. It is absolutely free to do so. Hit the notification bell, and you won't miss out on any of my videos. So until the next video, cheers, and gone. Nice piece of art at the St.Ives train station. Well, technically, is it a terminal? Because there's no through trains. It stops here. An interesting observation. Terminus.
Yeah.